to my channel. I'm here with Aaron and Asad both, and today we are going to be making Christmas cookies for Vlogmas Day. Is it 3? It's 4. Vlogmas Day 4. So yeah, that's what we're doing today. We're gonna make some cookies. They're very impatient right now. Oh, and before we get started, if you are new here, welcome to my channel. If you are returning, welcome back. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Not subscribe. And we're gonna go from there. So first we're gonna get our hands washed. Yes, wash your hands. Look, I'm gonna put some soap on there. Rub it together. Let me see. Ready?
Yes. Ready?
Stop jumping. Leave it alone, Aaron. Stop touching stuff. So we got 3 kinds, but we're gonna make some of 2. So which 2 do y'all like? We got elf, snowman, and Christmas trees. Which one you want?
I want this one.
The snowman? Which one you want, Todd?
Button.
Elf? Okay. So we're gonna put the Christmas tree one back. Save it for later. And also, my favorite pecan turtle delight, because I like turtle. So we gotta cook it first. We gotta get the oven preheated. Non-stick skillet. Non-stick, so 325, 350. We're just gonna put on 350. Put your foot down, please. Please fall. So, because we are making multiple, we're gonna start with our big skillet and move our way to the little skillet. So, okay. Now we got to spray the pan. No, we don't. We got cookie paper. I got some of that good, amazing stuff in here. Stop here. So, we got some cookie sheet paper.
Whoa.
There we go. Cookie paper.
Did you make it?
Yep. And it's rolling a lot.
What?
Yep. So we just gonna sit it like this. Okay. How many you want?
3.
You want 3?
Yes.
You want 3 too? Okay. So we're gonna start with elf first, okay?
Yes.
So get one out. Look, you gotta pick it up and put it right here. Now get another one. Let me see. Let me open it. Pick it up. There you go. I knew you was gonna try it. You put it right there. We gotta cook it first. That's gonna be yours too. Okay, get one. Get this aside. Put it right here. There we go. So that's 3 for you. You gotta get 3 for Aaron. No, don't put it together. Give it some space. Let me see. There you go. Now, no more of these sides. No more of these. Well, yeah, you can.
Space.
Okay. No more of these. Get some of those. Get some of those. The other ones. We're going to save the rest of these. Make some more cookies tomorrow or the day after. Put it right here. Get some more. Okay, let's see. Let's organize it. Let's see. Do 2 more right here. Okay, got it. Now give me 1 more. Decide what you just do over here, sir. You didn't have to. Oh my goodness. Okay, let me see. That's all we needed. You just put that on there. You just took the whole plastic off. Anxious is what you call it. We got enough of these. So we're gonna put these in the pack. That's the same. I'll just put them in the wrong pack, that's all. What? Okay, hold on. Y'all need to be careful. Get our be careful. Wait. So these are together. What's up? Yeah, you won't be touching it. No, don't touch it. It's for mommy.
Is mommy?
So I'm going to make. You want one of these too?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm gonna make 3.
No, this one.
Don't.
This one is that one.
And then I'm gonna make y'all one of these a piece. Cause y'all probably won't like all the stuff in there. What? We gotta cook it. Cry baby.
Like this.
It's good.
Like this one.
No, here, eat it.
It's bad.
Is it nasty?
Yes.
No, it's not.
This
You don't like. Put that back. You can't eat that.
again.
No, you gotta cook it first. Okay. And we're gonna space these out.
Ow.
Who is ready? Who ready?
Me?
No, don't lick it. Aaron said the pecans was nasty. Don't stop touching it. You ain't gotta touch it no more. No, I'm just waiting on our oven. Put up peace. You ready for Christmas? What you want? What you want Santa Claus to get you?
Ring.
A ring?
Yes.
What you gonna do with a ring?
Wrap it.
You gonna wrap the ring?
Yeah.
What you gonna do? What you want for Christmas?
Yeah.
Cookies. You want cookies for Christmas?
Mine. I'm gonna give this.
You don't want no toys?
You.
Well, what kind of toys do you want?
I know.
You don't know?
Well, Bobby.
Scooby?
Bumblebee.
Huh?
Bumblebee.
Bumblebee?
Yes.
You want a Bumblebee toy?
Yes.
Who is that?
Bobby.
Okay, whatever you just said. Yes, what do you want? Besides cookies, what toy you want? Tell Santa, cause he looking. You better not be spitting.
Hey, baby.
What toys do you want? Stop. Hulk smash. You want Hulk for stop jumping. Y'all want Hulk for Christmas?
No.
You don't want Hulk for Christmas?
No. Bumblebee.
Bumblebee?
Yes.
But do you want Bumblebee and Hulk?
Yes.
I thought you liked Hulk. Yes, Hulk smash. Okay, the oven is preheated. So you guys, we are ready to put our cookies in the oven. You gotta get back, baby. You can't do this part. Cover your mouth. We're gonna put the cookies in. Scoot back, Aaron. Scoot back, because it's hot. Scoot back, please. Thank you. Oh, why am I grabbing these with the mitts? Because we're gonna put this in sideways. Say 10 to 12 minutes. These say 13 to 14 minutes. So I'm gonna put the timer. Aaron, you must want to get in trouble. I'm gonna put the timer on 13 minutes. What I said for these? 13. Yeah, I'm gonna put the timer on 13 minutes and go from there. And then we're gonna come back and check on the cookies when the timer goes off. I will see you guys back in a few minutes. Okay, you guys, so our cookies is done. You hear it beeping, Aaron?
Yes.
Okay, the cookies are done. We're about to take them out the oven. Scoot back, babe. We got this. I'm about to take them out of the oven. They smell really good already. Scoot back. He's trying to smell it, but still scoot back. My nerves is too bad for that. So I think we had 3 of them. It was too close because they went over into the other ones, but that is okay. And then these are done as well. Let's show them the cookies. Let's turn the surface light on. Yep, our cookies is done. These are the 3 I'm talking about. They was too close. They went in together. But it's okay. That one looked like it started touching too in. That one, but it's all right. That's what we got knives for. We got knives for that. Aside, he trying to get some processed. Well, this is processed too, but he trying to get some cookies that's already like made and packaged, and we just baked some fresh cookies. Tell me he tripping. Side tripping. Okay, they ready to eat their cookies, so let me get them started. About bake the cookies up. So 1, 2, 3, and then I'm gonna give you 2 stem sauces. 1, 2, 3. Uh-oh. 1, 2, 3. Okay, wait, Aaron. 1, 2, 3. One. There we go. You want some cookies? Look at the tape already. Ready. Is your cookies good?
Yes.
You took a bite of every single one?
Yes.
What about you, Sahad? They good? It's good? Is it good? Yeah. They said the cookies is good. And I got mine, but I have a glass of milk because I can't eat fresh baked cookies without milk. So I like to dip.
Mommy,
Yes.
no milk.
You want milk too?
Yes.
Okay, I'll get you some milk. Let me take a bite first.
And as you see how she looking, she's so mad.
She wants some. It's beginning to feel like Christmas now. It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas. That one's good.
Yes.
Let's try the turtle's my favorite. And I like to catch my cookies as soon as I take them out the oven, like when they're freshly hot. I don't want to be too crunchy, too hard. I like my cookies to be soft. And these are perfect. Per usual, I am a baker, y'all. I should open me up a shop. Uh-oh. But I'm gonna cut this video before it becomes a mukbang. I'm gonna cut it off before it becomes a mukbang.
Look.
You want more? Or you bit it?
Look.
Thank you guys for tuning in to Vlogmas Day 4 with me and the boys. I will see you guys on Vlogmas Day 5, and I appreciate you for watching. See you next time. Oh, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Say like, comment, and subscribe.
I remember that.
Stop. Say like, comment, subscribe. Okay, say see you later. See you later.